Hi everybody, it's FlipFlopMountaineer and I'm coming to you from my homestead today, where I'm going to teach you a homestead hack that we did for under $130. We made a roadside business, finding materials that you can find as well on Marketplace and local thrift shops, and put together a small little roadside stand that is going to earn us money right here in Tennessee. Hi guys, just real quick before I give you that inventory list of what you're gonna need, here's some merch that you can't live without. We got our decals in, we've got country cooking, keeps you good looking for the girls, and is your fly down, Polk County, Tennessee. So order this, that would help me greatly, or like and subscribe, which is free. You can do that for free. So please do that for me right now. And now back to what you're gonna need to make this cart. All right, let's go over how we did the top part here. The top part, this part right here, is our old tabletop from a kitchen island. And what I did was I flipped it upside down so that it would have a lip that goes around, because we are in the mountains and things are not always level. So we did that. And then I wanted to show you how I did these. These were brackets that I just bent. We just had these on hand. So I took those, and I had bought these at thrift stores and just hung those like that, so that if I'm doing anything like eggs, you know, once the eggs start coming in, I can put the cartons right inside these guys here. Change my sign, which is super easy. That's just a chalkboard sign I got at a yard sale. And right now I've just got the firewood out here for campfires, because we're waiting on our little guys to get bigger for the eggs. So that's how we did that part. And let me show you the back. Super easy here. Right here, this was found at a thrift store. This right here is actually for a bathroom, for towels. And that one is a pretty nice heavy duty one. And I think I might have paid maybe $2 or something for that. And this cash box I got on Amazon. And I think it was around $20, maybe a little bit less than that. And then the umbrella that you see here was from Marketplace. It was a fabulous find at 40 bucks. And that's what it looks like. And it's actually commercial quality. So that's what I was looking for. I wanted something that was heavy duty and long lasting. So, and the cash box, I had the letters on hand, so I just put the writing on the top so that people would know where to put their cash. And then on the side, this is an old bench that we just had around, and I just painted the legs red just to kind of make it cohesive and match. And then of course, it's close to the holidays, so I wanted to be festive with it and got creative with something we had on hand. And then this was pretty cool. This right here is actually for candles. And I found that at a thrift store, and I got my hot glue gun out and put some solar lights in them. So at night, it does light up down on the bottom at the base here, right there, and then right there. And then the sign I already had on hand, so that's just something I recycled. But I think it turned out great. And once the eggs start coming in, it should be busy, but that's what it looks like.